Hello guys, in this video I'm going to cover how to find the median of a dataset. Now, the median is the middle value of a dataset. The median is a measure of central tendency. Simply put, that just means that we are looking at one number to represent a dataset. To summarize a dataset, think of it as one number to represent a list of numbers. Mean, median, and mode are all examples of measures of central tendency. So let's take a look at median again. This is going to be the middle, as you can see here. Let's jump into our examples, starting with number 1, where we have ages of students. We have a list of numbers. We have to find the middle number of all these numbers. So the first thing we do is we sort the numbers. These numbers aren't already sorted, so we have to start sorting them. So the lowest number we have is 14, so we start with 14. After 14 we have 15. You can cross these off to not write them twice. Except for if we have two of the same number, you do have to write them down twice, like the 15. So we are done with the 15s. Now we're going to go to the next number where we have 16. 16. We only have one 16, so we go further to the 17 over here. Then we have 18, 19, 20, and 21. So now we have sorted all of these numbers, we have to look for the middle. So to do this, we can start by counting from both sides to the middle. So let's start by doing this. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4. As you can see, the 17 was exactly in the middle. Because if we had counted the 17 also for one side, we wouldn't have gotten any number left and we wouldn't have gotten the final answer. So our median, let's write it like this, median equals 17 years, because we are talking about the ages of students. Don't forget to write years, because sometimes you can get the wrong final answer, if you don't specifically write years after the final answer. So let's go over to our second example. So for our second example, we have number of goals scored by let's say a football team or a soccer team in their season right now. So again, first step we have to take is we have to sort these from least to greatest. These aren't already sorted, so we have to do this manually. So our least goal scored is 1, so we're going to start with the 1. We only have one of the 1, so we go further to the second. So our second number is 2. We only have 1 2, so we're going to 3. We have 2 of 3, so we write them down both. We go to the 4 now, and we only have 1, so we can go to the 5. We have 2 5s, so we write them down both. Now we have 6, 7, and 8 left, and they all three just have one digit or one number, so we just have to write them one time. Let's move this to the left a bit, so we have enough space to write down the last three numbers, or two numbers. So we have done the 6, now we have the 7, and for the final one we have 8. Let's cross these two off and start by finding the median, or the middle number. So again, we're going to use the same method we have done by the first one. So we're going to count them off from the left and from the right to the middle. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4. And as you can see, we can't go any further, because if we would do 5 and 5, we wouldn't be left with any numbers, and we can't do just only on one side. So we have two numbers in the middle. So our median has to be right over here in the middle of these two numbers. To find the middle of these two numbers, we have to do a little addition and divising. So what we do with these two numbers, we add them together. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now this won't be your final answer because that wouldn't make any sense because it has to be in the middle of these two numbers. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, and now we do 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 will equal 4.5. So 4.5 goals will be our final answer of the second example. Now, let's say if the numbers were completely different and they were a bit higher, it would be a bit more difficult. Let's say instead of 4 and 5, we had 40 and let's say 50. Let's not make it too hard. Now, 40 plus 50 will equal 90. And again, you can just do the same exact thing, divide the 90 by 2, and we will get 45 as our final answer. But in this case, we didn't have 40 and 50, we had 4 and 5, so 4.5 goals will be our final answer of finding the median. So this was the video, guys, on how to find the median in a in a data set. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments. This was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.